Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, now we are going to look at the program to define the array stack. Here in case of program of array stack, you need to remember that we are going to use the pointer called as top. Top will denote the position of the pointer. Let us consider a case top is equal to -1. It means the array is underflow. So the position of top is very important. Based on the position of the top, we are going to check whether we can insert the element into the stack or we can remove the element from the stack. These operations are called as push and pop. So remember that top pointer is very important in case of stacks. Now we are going to write the program for the array stack. Okay, so we are going to implement the stack using the concepts of array. To do this, I have imported the package java.util. Inside that, I have defined a class called as array stack. Then I have used the array named as arr. Then I have used three variables to get the values. First will be top. Okay, it is very important to understand the top. Let's take an example of a stack. We have a stack here. So top will denote the position of the array. Now, based on the top, we are going to decide whether we can insert the elements or delete the element. So top is going to point wherever. So let's take an example, it is here. So it means -1. It means we are under flow. So top position will denote the values position. Then we are getting the size of the array and length of the array. Okay, now to define the size and length of the array, we are going to use the constructor. Now I've used the constructor array stack, and from the user I'm going to get the number of elements. So int n will give you the number of elements. So using constructor, I'm transferring the value of n to the size. So size is to be defined from the n. So whenever I get the value from the n, I'm going to transfer it to the size. Now length equal to 0 because I have nothing to push and pop. So whenever I'm pushing the element, inserting the element, it is push operation, and whenever I'm deleting the element, that is pop operation. So next will be length equal to 0 because we don't have any element inside the stack. Then I'm passing the values. Okay, so arr, that is your array equal to new int size. So whatever size I'm getting to the end, I'm just passing the size. Let's take an example, I have 5. Okay, so n equal to 5 will define me size equal to 5. Okay, so arr size equal to 5. Then top equal to -1. So it means we are from the underflow. So while starting, we are going to define the top value equal to -1 because we want below 0. Okay, so this position will be 0. This position will be 1. This position will be 3, 2. This will be 3. This position will be 4. Like this, we are going to increment the top. So that we are, and when we are deleting, we are going to decrement the value of top. So based on the top position, we are going to decide where we can insert or delete the element. So top equal to -1. So that we are underflow. So we are underflow here, and then we are going to check the values. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to Ekeeda channel.